What's name?
Yes, it's me.
Me. What's me? You are yes.
Slowly. Slowly, not shortly. Boom.
Hello, Michael. Hi. This is our engineer. Excuse me, please.
Walay 3. Wala na yung akong pangalan. Dapat ibutang
How? Your pen is okay?
Where's the boat now? Come on, Sanjay.
Oh, why you not? You're finished? Why you not make? Who is coming from head office? From only. कुछ तसरात दो अपने
असरत की दवाई है जल्दी है साडा
अच्छा
कोई बेमार के नहीं है फॉर्मेलिटी
ठीक है
जो कोई पढ़ाया ये खुद भी नहीं आता था भाई उसने हमें क्या समझाना है
ठीक है
और ये मीनिंग पूछो मीनिंग एक ही क्वेश्चन किया उनको जब हम दोनों अपने जाए तो हमें क्या करना चाहिए प्रोटेक्ट दूसरे का
आई डोंट हाँ जी निशान साहब जी निशान साहब जी आपकी क्या तसरात इंटरव्यू के बारे में
सर मुझे तो कुछ
बोलो नो कमेंट
सर जी नो कमेंट सर
गुड हाँ जी
जी इंतहाई फजूल इंसान हमें लेक्चर देने के लिए है जिसको पता ही नहीं है कुछ खुद और वो आगे दे रहा है मेरे ख्याल में पहले कोई और सुना था एक्सेल आई थी लेकिन वो एक्सेल आई के बजाय अभी हमें आंकड़ों में टकरा रहा है
चलो हाँ यार व्हाट इज द रिमार्क्स फॉर इंटरव्यू व्हाट इज द रिमार्क्स इंटरव्यू
Yeah, was scheduled today. Why? Yes, plus RFC. You
This deduction.
Yes, what is the remarks?
What kind of remarks?
मार्क्स यार you already know about this यार I don't know
Okay, good.
इससे तो जानता माय
Alas, I will kill all.
Paralimpios kusina. Wala to kumaluwa. Butang lagi
The people are on the mirror. Huh? You are training, huh? Good, huh? Still, huh?
na-transfer na ni Juan kanina yun sila ni Layap
Dali, sabihin mo kasumpi sa training ka.
Sa may kaistorya, Mr. Reyes.
Gapon nga, sa'yo ka ilang taon, kaka pagod-pabor ni. Hindi pwede ni, mulit pa.
Pabor
Paglungan. Tama na,
what you will say regarding this
Ikaw,
training
Noy. Sa imong istorya, Noy.
favor
Noy. For this one, because yesterday, Thomas Paul given.
Murat ang putal.
Hindi ka hibay. No, what happened?
favor yesterday this food is early now why
Late,
too much
late.
late we are hungry we are using our mind
We're using
to listen the discussion
Possible, you use safety glass. You use safety glass if you
Yeah.
are blind.
not possible because you are already blind how you use the safety glass we you are good seeing we need safety glass
Safety gloves, safety shoes, safety gear.
yeah everything right you are
But
right
anyone training.
If you have
You.
practice one, police one, deform. I know that one. Can you press situation?
but you know you know what is the problem? You are working, you are asking protective glove. When you are asking gloves, no more glove.
No money, how to buy, how to use.
You said just only tell you buy. You are asking money, you are saying no petty cash. What is that? And then
What happened? Just waiting.
Asin! Asin! The condom is also, the condom
Yes,
is
production.
also bilong the